Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Up. In the previous class, we discussed gifted children and creative learners. In today's class, we will study another important topic in child development and pedagogy, which is language development in a children. Language is essential for communication, learning, and social interaction. So, let us begin today's session and understand language development in a detail. Language is one of the most important aspects of child development. Through language, children express their thoughts and feelings, communicate with others, learn and understand concepts. Language development plays a key role in a learning and social interaction. Meaning of language development. Language development refers to the process by which children learn to understand and use language. It includes listening, speaking, reading, writing. Language development begins from early childhood and continues throughout life. Stages of language development. Language development occurs in stages. First, pre-linguistic stage 0 to 1 year. Second, babbling stage 6 to 12 months. One word stage 1 to 2 years. Two word stage 2 to 3 years. Telegraphic speech stage 2 to 4 years. Each stage shows progress in a communication ability. Pre-linguistic stage. In this stage, infants communicate through crying, cooking, and gestures. No real words are used. Communication is mainly non-verbal in this stage. This is the foundation of language development. Bubbling stage. In this stage, infants produce sounds like ba ba, mama. Sounds are not meaningful yet. Helps in a practicing speech sounds. Bubbling is an important step towards speech development. One word stage. In this stage, children use single words to express ideas. For example, milk, mama, ball. Each word represents a complete idea. Two word stage. In this stage, children use two word sentences. For example, want milk, go park. Language becomes more meaningful and structured. Telegraphic speech stage. In this stage, children use short sentences. Grammar is not fully developed. Example, I go to I go school. Mom, give food. Language becomes more advanced and expressive. Factors affecting language development. Language development is influenced by environment and interaction, family background, exposure to language, intelligence, social interaction. A rich language development helps children learn faster. Role of teacher. Teachers play an important role in a language development. Teachers should encourage communication in classroom, use a simple and clear language, provide opportunities for speaking and listening, use stories, activities and discussions. A supportive teacher helps children develop language skills effectively. Educational implications. Teachers should create a language rich environment, encourage reading and storytelling, use interactive teaching methods, support students with language difficulties. Language development improves learning and communication skills. Key exam points. Language development includes listening, speaking, reading, writing. Occurs in a stages influenced by environment and interaction. Teachers play a key role in a language development. So, students, in today's class, we discuss language development and its stages. We learn how children develop language skills and how teachers can support this process. Understanding language development helps teachers improve communication and learning in in the classroom. If you found this class helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more classes in this CTET CDP complete series. In the next class, we will discuss theories of language development like Skinner, Chomsky, Vygotsky, a very important CTET topic. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next class.